Today I have a very exciting video! This is the Etude House Hershey's collaboration collection. They sent me this huge Hershey package, like it's super duper cute, and I thought I should just unbox it with you guys. For those of you who don't know, actually Etude House collaborated once with Kit Kat before, and they actually did super well, but they didn't come to Singapore, so now they decided to bring in the Hershey's collection this time, and I swear I saw a lot of photos of it online already, and it's super duper cute. So at the end of this video, I'm going to swatch everything for you guys, so don't worry about it. I'm also going to be testing these products on my face later on and creating a makeup look for you guys, and hopefully we can create something very cute and nice. Let's unbox this together. Ooh. It looks exactly like the Hershey's chocolate. Oh, look at this, guys! I don't know if you guys can see, but there are Hershey's words on it. Okay, let's open it up. Tan-tan! Oh my god! It's like gift after gift after gift after gift. Okay, so this is the Hershey's Creamy Milk Chocolate Play Color Eyes Mini. Like 6 colors. This palette looks very natural. I think the entire collection is like very everyday wear. So it comes with a mirror. The packaging actually feels very sturdy as well. And 6 colors, I think it's just right because there are your mattes, your shimmer, your glitter. You have one for your contour, you have one for your base shade, you have one for your highlight shade as well. So I think that's actually pretty brilliant. The second one. Ooh. Brushes! This is the Hershey's Creamy Milk Chocolate brush. I love Etude House brushes because they're affordable and yet really good quality. Comes in a matte brown body as well as the signature Hershey's logo over here, and this is a very nice and simple eyeshadow brush that you can use. It's very soft, it's very dense. Oh, another brush. You guys know that Hershey's have like the dark chocolate, the milk chocolate, and also the iconic cookies and cream. So this one is the cookies and cream brush. Oh, it's actually slightly more pointed at the tip, so you can get a lot more precise when it comes to applying your eyeshadow. Same thing, this one has the iconic Hershey's logo. It's also matte body, the iconic white and black speckles, cookies and cream design on it. Ta-da! So cute! This is the Etude House Hershey's Cookies and Cream Play Color Eyes Mini Palette. So I think it's quite similar. Let's open it up. So it really just looks like chocolate. Also 6 colors. Also a mix of glitter, a mix of shimmers, a mix of mattes. But I think this one, compared to the chocolate one, for the day, and this one is more suitable for the night. But definitely these 2 color palettes are so complementary, and what I like about it is that it's very small and they are so tiny to just carry around. Okay, so we have Hershey's Creamy Milk Chocolate Powder Rouge Tint in the shade Hazelnut Choco. All of them comes with like the very chocolatey kind of one-time use packaging, you know. Wow! The formulation of these are actually the same as the Etude House Powder Rouge collection, just that the shades are limited edition and only limited to this collection. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it smells like Hershey's chocolate. It really does. Last but not least, another lippy. Yay! So this one is in the shade Almond Choco. So I'm going to open it as well. This one is in the shade BR402. So this one compared to the previous one, they actually look very similar, but I feel that this one has a little bit more brown inside compared to this, which is maybe slightly more pink. Ready? So, shall we get to the makeup look? Okay, I'm so excited to try it. I've already done my base and my brows because there are no base and brow products in this collection. So, I'm just going to dive right into the eyeshadow palettes. For the sake of this tutorial, I think I'm going to be using both the Hershey's Clear Color Eyes Mini in Hershey's Original and Hershey's Cookies and Cream. Cookies and Cream palette, I'm first going in with this shade over here. Ooh. Like all Etude House palettes, they're all very good quality, and I really like how their shades are very complementary to Asian skin tones. The brush is so soft. This is such a nice shade. I think it would be very nice to contour your nose with as well. Applying it on my lower lash line. So the shadows are very soft, very easy to blend, very nice. Then I'm going in with the Originals palette, and I'm taking this shade over here, which would be our main color for this look because I want to match my top. Just applying it all across my eyelids. Just right below the first brown that we applied. Next up, I'm taking the tapered eyeshadow brush. I'm going in with the darkest shade over here, and I'm mixing it together with a little bit of the, just going to just treat it like an eyeliner and line my under line. Actually so simple. It was just 3 eyeshadows. Okay, I think I'm gonna pop a shade of glitter. I think I'm gonna be going in with this one over here from the Cookies and Cream palette and just popping it on the center of my eyelids. Last but not the least, I'm going in with the Original Hershey's palette and taking this very shimmery shade in the middle. And just highlighting my aegyo. Next up, I'm going in with an eyeliner. I chose a gel brown eyeliner. You can use your favorite one. I'm just going to very lightly line my eyes. Alrighty, and it's now time for the lipsticks. I'm gonna be trying to use both as much as I can. One is BR401, which is Hazelnut Choco, and BR402. To be honest, I don't think the packaging colors are very accurate to the colors that they are in the tube. This is actually not as dark as we think. In fact, it's lighter than this. So right now, I'm just going to remove my lip gloss. Okay, I think I'm gonna apply BR401 Hazelnut Choco on my lips and BR402 on my cheeks. I really love the Etude House Powder Rouge Tint formulas. They're so good. Very pigmented, as you can see. And this is why I love this formulation. It's just so gorgeous, so pigmented, very comfortable to wear, especially if you have dry lips. Instead of a liquid matte lipstick, you should always go for these kind of textures and finishes, something more powdery. Cream to powder is usually much more forgiving on your lip lines. And just look at this pigmentation, it's gorgeous. So I have BR401 on my lips. And now I'm gonna go in with BR402 at the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use it to just apply it as my blush. So because this formula of Powder Rouge Tint is not glossy or not like oily, in fact it has a very nice matte texture, you can use it as your eyeshadow or as your blush if you would like. I really love how complementary it is when it comes to the lipstick, the blush, and the eyeshadows. So you can't go wrong with this. also gonna apply some on my nose for that really cute look. I'm also taking a little bit of the same lip color and just touching the center of the cheeks for a little bit more dimension. And this is the final makeup look completed. We've come to the end of the video. I thought I should just do a roundup for you guys on some of my favorite top products from this Etude House Hersheys collaboration collection. Actually, I really love every single item in this collection. It's quite a small collection with only just 6 products inside, but I think these 6 products are really quality and they are just so well thought of. Especially the eyeshadow palettes, I feel like they came up with a very nice cookies and cream one for the day and the original one for the night. These two can just be so interchangeably used because even the shades, they are similar but they are not identical. So I would say they are complementary to each other and it's good to have both if you can. When it comes to the brushes, they are all really good quality, and the lipsticks as well. I just love the shades of these, the Powder Rouge Tint. So if you ask me what are the must buys, I would say it would be the eyeshadow palettes, the Play Color Eyes Mini, because they're just so beautiful and you can get so much mileage out of them because they're so everyday colors. Second product that I think you should get would be these Powder Rouge Tint lipsticks, because these shades are limited edition, so you can't find it in their normal collection anyway. I really love the colors, and if these colors are not up to your alley, you can just go and check out the entire range of the Powder Rouge Tint because they have the same formula but in a ton of different colors. Personally for me, I find that these two colors are just so beautiful and very bold but yet kind of everyday, and they suit every skin tone really well. Last but not least, my number 3 choice would be the Hershey brushes. It's not that they're not good, in fact they are really good and they're super cute. I think they already have these brushes in a collection, like in their original line, I'm not too sure. So if they actually already have these brushes or similar ones, I think if you're a Hershey's collector, you can definitely collect these because they are as good. If you're not, then you can always check out their original collection, and they also have very good brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, first impressions unboxing, and